The birth of an enterprise is a fusion of time and pursuit. Between alternation of day and night grows up silently, like towering mountains, without seeing the peaks. An outstanding enterprise stands in long river of time. Like eternal light, enlightens human wisdom, ventures out the present, explore changes of future, the direction of times, perseverance, progression, growth, leads every single innovation. With insight into development of building materials industry in 1990, it's from a small store to having products nationwide. With pursuit of excellence, wrote a glorious chapter for 30 years. Every baptism, we are more determined and calmer. Every integration is a value-added empowerment in practice. Every inheritance is power of culture surging the soul. Every opportunity we could grasp firmly. Under the banner of new era, the brilliance of National Little Giant lies our way forward. With National Development Strategy of New Energy and Infrastructure Construction, organosilicon industry faces with new opportunities and challenges. On December 26, 2021, Yung Ying, Secretary of Hubei Provincial Party Committee, pointed out, promote high-quality development of county economy, adhere to primary engine of innovation, promote high quality of characteristic leading industry. We will live up to the Secretary's trust. Until now, in East China, South China, Central China, and North China, Junbom has established 6 production bases. With annual sales of 16 billion yuan, a total area of 210,000 square meters, become a large integrated group enterprise on adhesive. Junbom was honored with National High-Tech Enterprise, National Recognized Manufacturing Enterprise of Neutral Silicon Sealant, Recommended Enterprise of China Building Decoration Association, Brand Strengthen A Nation, Top 10 Silicon Sealant Brands. Focuses on exchange and cooperation of scientific research, 20 national invention and utility model patents. Established a university industry cooperation with CTGU and CUT. Established 4 major research and development centers. Continuously integrates the frontier technology into products and production, with requirements of urban development in a silicone structural sealant, home decoration adhesive, color silicon adhesive, foam adhesive, decorative adhesive. Sense of energy saving in new infrastructure construction, optimizes structure and construction wave of environmental protection. Xiangping series came out with the trend for building materials, real transit, photovoltaic energy, etc. Provides comprehensive professional solution in cohesiveness in sealing. It is said that this is a road to expand boundary. Every day, we set out on a journey, too late to wipe away the sweat, forget about tiredness, from one city to another, from dawn to dusk, from strange to familiar, waves longitude and latitude. We challenged ourselves, break through boundary into rivers and seas. The figures of Junbom all over China. Nationwide marketing service system, 30 provincial warehousing logistics centers, 36,000 sales outlets. Innumerable days and nights holds fast to ordinary position silently. Demands for quality with true soul. Focus on brand with passion. Indefatigably guards ingenuity. With new brand positioning, a strong attack reaches out to the world. Responsibility inspires passion. Responsibility inspires strength. Fulfills corporate responsibility through action. Devotes to various social welfare activities. Responds to times with heart. The future is a journey of unknown and discovery. Not content to be ordinary. Never stop by the present. What is past is prologue. High-quality development is our unswerving choice. Let's witness together the mission of an enterprise, witness the revival of a country. We are with you to rejuvenate the nation and create great cause. Junbom Group.